Are you ready for takeoff? Welcome to Niagara Takes Flight. Niagara is more than just waterfalls, and this is more than just a ride. Niagara Takes Flight is a journey through 13,000 years of Niagara's history. It's a celebration of the land and its people.
Just steps from the brink of the Horseshoe Falls inside Table Rock Center, Niagara Takes Flight invites our guests on a thrilling and immersive journey, ending with a soaring adventure over Niagara's most iconic sights. A new state-of-the-art dome theater is the canvas for Niagara's stunning landscapes, brought to life from an all-new perspective with dynamic motion, wind, and mist effects.
Before your feet leave the ground, you'll be immersed in an expansive pre-show experience, rooted in authentic storytelling, brought to life across 4 distinct spaces. By the time you board your epic flight, you'll do it with a deep appreciation for the layers of Niagara's rich history and culture that continues to live and breathe all around us. This is Canada's newest must-see attraction, and it's right here at Niagara Parks.
You may have been here before, but you have never seen Niagara like this.